Hello everybody, how you feeling? It's your boy Pastor Dre, and today I want to walk you through the process on how you can optimize your website in 2020 for the search engines. And I'm going to start from a brand new website from scratch, no plugins installed, nothing. So let's get right into it, and I hope you enjoyed this course. All right. The first thing you want to do is you want to install your SEO plugin. And you can get your SEO plugin for free. What you want to do is you want to go to plugins. Okay, first, if you have not logged in to your website, you log in and it's going to take you to your dashboard that looks like this. Okay, now once you log in to your website, you want to go to plugins. And you want to click here where it says add new. And the plugin I like to use is called SEO Press. You can use pretty much any plugin you like. They pretty much all do the same thing, but this is the one that I'm used to using. So you're going to see something here that says SEO Press. You want to click Install Now. And the good thing about it, it's free. Okay, once you click Install Now, you want to click Activate. Okay. Now you should see something here that says SEO Press. So let's say we want to do a blog post. We're going to go here to post. Okay? And let's go ahead and get rid of this default blog. Let's go ahead and trash that. So right now we have no blogs written. Whenever you write a blog, you want to target a keyword. Now what a keyword is, I don't want to get too much into it, but a keyword is this. When I go to Google, whatever I type in, if I'm searching for how to fish for trout, that is my keyword. If I type in how to build a website, that is my keyword, how to build a website. Okay, so that's what a keyword is. Whatever you type into the search engine, that's your keyword. Here's a lot of keywords here. How to build a website for your church. How to build a website with Thrive Architect. How to build a website. All these are keywords. Okay, so with our blog, you want to decide what keyword you want to target. We're going to target how to optimize my website for search engines. So that's going to be the keyword we're going to optimize our blog for. Step number 1 in optimizing your website for search engines is you want to put your keyword in your title. We'll see where it says add title. You want to put your keyword there. Now the keyword that we're targeting in this example is how to optimize my website for search engines. So let's go ahead and type that in. How to optimize my website for search engines. Okay, that's our keyword. Now if you notice a little SEO tip, I capitalized every word. How to optimize my website for search engines. Every word is capitalized. Okay, so that's the first thing you want to do. Let's go ahead and hit Save Draft. The second thing you want to do is you want to put your keyword in your meta title. Now, if you go here and you scroll down in your blog, keep scrolling down, you're going to get what's called SEO. Now, this only comes up when you install the SEO Press plugin or whatever plugin, SEO plugin you've installed. It's pretty much going to have the same thing. Once you install your SEO plugin, it's going to give you an option to label your title and your meta description. So step number 2 is you want to put your keyword in your meta title. This is called your meta title. So let's go ahead and put how to optimize my website for search engines. Now if you notice, I've typed in 46 characters. It actually gives me 60 characters. So I'm going to put a bracket and I'm going to put something catchy like fast and easy. Or that doesn't fit. Let's put fast and then the and easy. And then let's put another bracket. So I'm going to backspace just to make sure it fits. Okay, so I have my keyword, how to optimize my website for search engines, fast and easy. You want to put something where somebody reading your title, it's going to catch their attention. Now let me just show you something really quick about a meta title. Okay, what we type here, when you go to Google and say I type in how to optimize my website for search engines, I'm going to show you what a meta title is. When I hit the result, when I hit return, okay, Google gives me a list of websites. They give me a listing. Now, how they show up, this is your meta title, and this is your meta description. So whatever I type in here is going to show up here for my website. So that's why you want it to be catchy and catch the reader's attention. Okay? And you only have 60 characters to work with. So step number 2 is put your keyword in your meta title. Step number 3, you want to put your keyword in your meta description. So you want to be creative. You don't want to just put your keyword by itself and then it's not going to attract those that are reading it because your meta title is right here. So you want something that's going to make people click on your listing. So let's go ahead and say in this blog we will cover how to optimize my website for search engines. Now if you notice, it doesn't really make sense. In this blog we will cover how to optimize my website for search engines. So I may want to put something like, have you ever asked how to optimize my website for search engines? So let's go ahead and change that. Have you ever asked how to optimize my website for search engines? And then you want to put a question mark. Now I'm just putting this for the teaching and for the example, but if you really want to spend some time on how you want to word your meta description, then you can do that. But I'm just going through it kind of quick so you can understand and I won't keep you here for a long time. Okay, so we're just going to go with, have you ever asked how to optimize my website for search engines? Well, so I'm going to put, well, in this blog we will teach you how to do just that. Now, in your meta description, you have 160 characters to work with. Your meta title, you have 60. Your meta description, you have 160. So we still have some more real estate to use, and you want to try to use as much of this as you can. So right now we have you ever asked how to optimize my website for search engines? Well, in this blog, we will teach you how to do just that. And boost your rankings, okay, in Google. And we're at 159. So let's go ahead and hit save draft. We're going to go back up and we're going to save draft. So we've covered 3 things. Let's recap. Number 1, you want to put your keyword in your blog title. Number 2, you want to put your keyword in your meta title. Number 3, you want to put your keyword in your meta description. Let's move on to step number 4. You want to put your keyword in your social meta title. Now, if you go to the plugin that I have, which is SEO Press, you want to click where it says social. See where it says Facebook title, Facebook description, Facebook thumbnail. What I usually do is I'll go ahead and get my meta title and I'll copy it, Control C. I'll go back to my social meta title and put the same thing there. So step number 4 is you want to put your keyword in your social meta title. So I'm going to go ahead and put it right there. That's my keyword. And then I'm going to scroll down, and you also have one for Twitter. I'm going to put it right there. Okay, so that's step number 4. You want to put your keyword in your social meta title. And once again, here's our Facebook title, and here's our Twitter title. I just went over and took our meta title, copied and paste. Step number 5, you want to put your keyword in your social meta description. So let's go back to social, and right here you got your Facebook description, okay, and you got your Twitter description. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and I'm going to grab my meta description. I'm going to Control C on a PC. I'm going to go to social, and I'm going to drop it right in there in my Facebook description and my Twitter description. That is step number 5. And let's go ahead and make sure we save it. So let's go ahead and save draft. Okay? And I think it gives you a snippet of how it would look on Facebook, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. Let's go back here. Yeah, there you go. That's how it's going to look on Twitter, actually. It says Facebook preview. This is what your post will look like in Facebook. You have to publish your post to get the Facebook preview. So we haven't published our post, so we're not going to get the Facebook preview, but this is how it will look in Twitter. Pretty cool, huh? All right. So step number 1, let's recap. Keyword in your meta title. Let's go back to our regular titles here. Okay. So step number 1, keyword in your meta title, or your blog title. Sorry about that. Step number 2, keyword in your meta title. Step number 3, keyword in your meta description. Step number 4, keyword in your social meta title, here, okay, and here. Step number 5, keyword in your social meta description, which is here and here. All right. If you've done this, you've pretty much done more than a lot of people out there to optimize their blog for search engines. Let's go to step number 6. You want to put your keyword within your first paragraph. Okay, so let's go ahead and start writing some content. And I'm just going to write whatever, okay, just to give, I want to give you an idea, okay, and like you would spend more time in writing your content. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go down here, and we're going to start writing some content. But the key thing is you want to put this keyword in your first paragraph. Okay, so let's go ahead and start writing. Let's see. I'm going to say, with the growing popularity of SEO and many companies starting websites and blogs, they are asking how to optimize my website for search engines. Okay. In optimizing, I'm not going to write too much content because I don't want to keep you here a whole day, but I'll just write a few sentences. In optimizing your website for search engines, it is not as difficult, okay, as many people think. Let me just write one more sentence. In this blog, I will cover 12 steps that will help you outrank your competition and get more traffic to your website or blog. Okay? I think I misspelled optimizing and optimizing. Okay. Outrank your competition. 12 steps. Okay. So if you notice, what did you notice right there? I put our keyword in my first sentence. Let's read it. With the growing popularity of SEO and many companies starting websites and blogs, they are asking how to optimize my website for search engines. So there is our keyword right there. Okay? Boom. Then it goes on to say, in optimizing your website for search engines, it is not as difficult as many people think. Period. I need to put a period here. In this blog, I will cover 12 steps that will help you. Let's put help you outrank your competition and get more traffic to your website or blog. So there you have it. That is step number 6. You want to put your keyword within your first paragraph. Let's move on to step number 7. Step number 7, you want to put keyword in your image alt tag. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to put images in your post. So in order to put an image, okay, and make sure you save your work. So let's go ahead and hit save. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and add an image. The way you add an image, add media, select file, and I'm just going to add any image here. Let's see, we're talking about search engine optimization, so let me find one on search engines. Let's see, here we go, SEO. Boom, let's add that one. Okay, it's loading up. There's our image. Now here is step number 7. See where it says alt text? You want to put your keyword in there. How to optimize my website for search engines. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to control copy this so I could just paste it. Okay? Because I'm going to be typing it a lot. So step number 7. Put your keyword in your image alt tag. And this is your image alt tag. Step number 8. You want to put your keyword in your image alt title. See this little thing where it says title here? You want to put your keyword there. So I'm going to control V and paste it. So now we have step number 7, keyword in image alt tag, which is here. Step number 8, keyword in image alt title, which is there. And you want to hit insert into post. There's our image in our post. All right, let's move on to step number 9. All right, let's move on to step number 9. You want to put one external link to a high authority source. What do I mean by that? You want to put an external link to a website that has high authority. The one I usually use is Wikipedia. So what I'll do is I'll go in and find a sentence or a keyword in the sentence I've used here, and find something that talks about that, or look into Wikipedia and find an article that talks about that. So let me give you an example. Right here I said, in optimizing your website for search engines. So Wikipedia talks about search engines. So what I would do is I would highlight that. I will go over here and I will go to Google, or however I like to go to Google, and I type in Wikipedia. You can go straight to Wikipedia from your browser. Okay, Wikipedia. Let's just do that for those of you that might be new. You go here, you type in wikipedia.com. You hit enter. Okay? And it's going to take you to Wikipedia, which is a very high authority website. So here I'm going to type in search engines. And it's going to give me their article on search engines. So I'm going to go up here and grab this URL. Right click and I'm going to copy. Okay? And then I'm going to take that URL and I'm going to highlight the word search engines. Okay? Go to this link here and then I'm going to paste that URL there. That is an external link to a high authority source. So I'm going to hit save. And you've already done a lot more than people that have blogs out there. If you've done these, what step are we on? Step number 9. If you've done these 9 steps, you've pretty much done a lot more than people that have blogs and websites out there. Okay, let's move on to step number 10. You want to put one internal link to a page or post on your site. But this is our first blog, and we don't have any internal links. So what I would recommend is you write another blog. After you wrote this one, you write another blog. And then say your blog, the next one you write about is keyword research. You want to put a sentence in this blog, say for example, one way to get or to do effective SEO is to do proper keyword research. Okay, so now what I would do, I'm going to walk you through the, oops, I misspelled research. Boom. Let's go ahead and hit save. So now what I would do, we're going to go ahead and make another blog. Okay, so we're going to go to post, add new, and we're going to call this blog how to, oops, sorry about that, how to do proper keyword research. And I'm going to hit save, and you go through the whole process of what we did in the first time. Okay, I'm not going to do that again, but you know what to do. And let's just say I wrote a blog. Boom, boom, boom. Keyword, proper keyword research is very important when it comes to effective SEO. Okay, boom. When it comes to, or for, proper keyword research is very important for effective SEO. So let's just go ahead and save this. Okay, now when you publish this, it's going to give you a link. See this right here? This is your permalink. So I'm going to copy that link, right? Then I'm going to go back to my first post, and of course you'd write more information. I didn't want to write all kinds of information and keep you here long, but you'd write a whole blog. Once your blog is written, you get that permalink, and you go back to your first blog, and we're going to go back to edit. I'm sorry, this is the wrong blog. Let's go back to the first one, which is this one. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put a link in this blog to our article we just wrote about keyword research. So one way to do effective SEO is to do proper keyword research. I'm going to I'm going to select it, and I'm going to click on this link. And remember that permalink I copied? I'm going to drop it right here. Okay? And let's make sure it's the right one. Boom, we want to take all that out. Well, let me do it for you correctly. Let me actually publish the post and get the actual permalink. So let's do it like that. Okay, so I'm going to publish this post. Okay, of course, you'd have more, information. You'd have a whole blog and images and all that good stuff. So then I'm going to go to preview changes. Okay, and there's our blog. But I'm going to take out the preview. I don't want the preview. So I'm going to take all that out, and I'm going to hit enter. Now this is the permalink to the blog. So I'm going to select all that, and I'm going to right click, and I'm going to copy. And I'm going to come back here, and I'm going to go to our post, our original post, and I'm going to click edit. Okay? And then we're going to scroll down to where it says keyword research. Got it? Select that. Go to the little link here. Select this little area here and Control V and paste that URL there. And we're going to hit enter. Then we're going to hit save. Now you have just put in an internal link on your blog. Man, you are making some good progress. And these are effective keys to help you do SEO in 2020. So let's recap. Number 1, keyword in your blog title, right there. Number 2, keyword in your meta title, right here. Number 3, keyword in your meta description, right here. Number 4, keyword in your social meta title. So let's go to social, meta title, meta title. Number 5, keyword in social meta description. Meta description, meta description. Step number 6, keyword within first paragraph. Here's our keyword within our first paragraph. Step number 7, keyword in image alt tag. Okay? And we're going to click on our image. And there we go. So, step number 7, keyword in image alt tag. Right there. Step number 8, keyword in image alt title. Right there. And step number 9, one external link in your blog. So let's go back to our blog. Let's go ahead and click edit. And we should have our external link, which we link to Wikipedia right here. Step number 10, one internal link to another blog or post on your website. And we did that right here. Okay? So step number 10 we just finished is one internal link to a page or post on your site. We got 2 more steps and then we'll be done. Step number 11, one YouTube embedded video. Now this doesn't have to be a video that you've made. Any video on YouTube that has the share option, you have legal rights to share that video. That's one of YouTube's agreement. If it has share and a link to share it, you can share it. So what you can do is you can go to YouTube and type in how to optimize my website. And any video that shows up that you can share, you can post it. Boom. It just so happens a video that I made showed up. So let's go ahead and use that one.
Your blog title.
So we're going to go here and see where it says share. I'm going to click that. See where it says copy? You click that. Okay, now you're going to go back to your post. Okay, and we want to input the video. We want to embed it. That's one way you could do it, is to put that link, but I'm going to show you an easier way. Okay, you want to go see where it says share, see where it says embed, see this code right here. You want to grab that, right click, copy, go back to your post, click where it says text up there, click in the blank spot right between those 2 things there, Control V and paste it in there. Go back to visual, and guess what? The video shows up. You now have an embedded YouTube video. And the last and final step. Step number 12. You want to put one social image in your SEO plugin settings. What does that mean? You want to go back. Let's go ahead and save first before we move on. And of course, you're going to add more content to your blog and maybe some more images, maybe put your video in a different place. But these are all the ingredients. You're going to cook the meal how you want. I'm just giving you the ingredients to make a good meal. Okay, so the last step, step number 12, one social image in SEO plugin settings. You want to go back to your plugin. Remember where it says social settings? See where it says upload an image? You want to put an image there. So I'm going to go upload an image, and I'm going to choose the same image. You can choose a different one, but I'm just going to choose the same image for the sake of this tutorial. And I'm going to click choose image. You want to go down to your Twitter, upload an image, choose image, and hit save. Okay? Now you want to go ahead and publish your website, because you have optimized your blog or your website for the search engines. So let's go ahead and hit publish. Okay, now you have just done effective SEO for 2020. Let's go ahead and preview our blog. There it is. This blog has been SEO'd. Now all you got to do is take these ingredients and cook up a nice meal. Move your video around, add some more images, put some more content. But you want your content, remember, you want your content to stand out to the reader. You want it to keep their attention, because the longer they stay on your page, Google likes that also. All right. Well, I hope this has helped you out. These are the 12 steps to optimizing your blog in 2020. I'm going to go over it one more time. Step number 1, keyword in your blog title. Step number 2, keyword in your meta title. Step number 3, keyword in meta description. Step number 4, keyword in social meta title. Step number 5, keyword in your social meta description. Step number 6, keyword within first paragraph. Step number 7, keyword in image alt tag. Step number 8, keyword in image alt title. Step number 9, one external link to high authority source. Step number 10, one internal link to a page or post on your site. Step number 11, one YouTube embedded video. And step number 12, one social image and SEO plugin settings. If you do these 12 steps, you have optimized your blog or website for SEO. What I would like to do now is give you some bonus material. You're probably wondering, how do I find keywords? What keywords do I know people are searching for? And how do I know what keyword to target on my blog? Well, Google tells you. If I go to Google and I type in how to build a, and I stop there, see all these keywords here? Google's telling you people are searching how to build a house, how to build a swimming pool, how to build a pizza oven, how to build a bride, how to build a rocket, how to build a deck, how to build a carport. These don't pop up by accident. That's what people are actually typing in. And you can do what's called the alphabet soup technique, where you can say how to build a, and then you start with A. How to build a, and you go to B. How to build a, and you go to C. So say my blog is about websites or web hosting, or let's say SEO. Okay? So I could go to Google and say how to learn SEO, and then I could just start with the letter A, and it's going to tell me what people are searching. How to learn SEO and SEM. How to learn SEO and digital marketing. How to learn SEO at home. And that's just the letter A. And look at all these keywords. Then I go back and I type in B. How to learn SEO B. How to learn SEO Bangla tutorial. How to learn SEO basics. How to learn SEO step by step. How to learn SEO for beginners. See? And then you can go all the way through the alphabet. Let's go to C. How to learn SEO C. How to learn SEO copywriting. How to learn SEO content writing. So you can get a plethora of ideas from Google itself. Instead of paying for a high expensive keyword tool, Google tells you what people are searching for. So this is bonus material. And let me give you one more secret that Google tells you. I'm on Google, right? So let's go to Google. Let's say I type in how to learn SEO. Here's another bonus. If I scroll down, see where it says Mensa Frauuk? Well, in Afrikaans, that's people are also asking. My website is in Afrikaans because I'm in South Africa. But people are asking. What this says in English is people are also asking. So what Google is telling you, okay, you typed in how to learn SEO, but people are also asking, how do I start learning SEO? Is SEO easy to learn? How long will it take to learn SEO? How can I do SEO for free? So there's another group of keywords that you could write blogs about. But here's the cool thing. Check this out. If I click on one of these and close it, guess what's going to happen? Google's going to give me more. Does SEO cost money? How much does SEO cost? And guess what? If I click on it and close it again, guess what? Google's going to give me more. How much a SEO can earn? How much do Google ads cost? How fast does SEO work? And now you got another plethora of keywords. Because guess what? If I click on this and close it, Google's going to give me more. Is it worth paying for SEO? So these are questions that people are actually asking. So if you write a blog on that, it's going to bring traffic to your website because people are actually asking these questions to Google. That's a hot tip. That's a bonus. The course is worth it if you just got this. All right. If you have any questions, hit me up. I would love to help you out. It's your boy, Pastor Dre, and take your SEO to another level because it's going to get you traffic. God bless.